Hello everyone. This is going to be our last division table that we learn. This video is about dividing by 3. I would definitely recommend learning your multiplication by 3 before you start really trying to work with dividing by 3. That's just because it's a little bit easier to count by 3's and to figure out your multiplication than it is to divide things into 3 equal groups. If you know your multiplication table by 3's, then dividing is just the opposite, and it just is a little bit easier to do that way. Okay, that being said, we are going to start with our blue number. So our first one is 0 divided by 3. Oh, I forgot to tell you that I'm going to show you each one of these. I have my M&Ms again, and I'm going to show you what each one of these looks like so it makes a little bit more sense to you, because there is no trick for dividing by 3. You just have to know that you take the first number, that's going to be our blue number, and that you are putting it into 3 equal groups. Okay, so the first one we have is 0. 0 divided by 3. Well, I have 0 M&Ms, and I'm going to put 0 into 3 groups. You will see in my circles that I have, of course, 0. Because anytime we start with 0 and we divide, we're automatically going to have 0 because we started with nothing. Okay, let's go to our next number. Our next number is 3 divided by 3. If we have 3 M&Ms, oops, I dropped one. Well, at least landed in a circle. We have 3 M&Ms, and we're going to put them into 3 groups. Then you can see we would have 1 in each group. 3 divided by 3 is 1. All right, let's move to our next problem. Okay. Next we have 6. Oops, I think I bumped it. 6 divided by 3. So we're going to get 6 M&Ms. 3, 4, 5. I can't get them. 6. Now, we're going to divide them into 3 equal groups, one at a time, until we run out. So I'm going to put 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and now that I have 1 in each group, I'm going to start over. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. And as you can see, I have 2 in each group. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Okay, let's go ahead and move to our next one. Oops, almost. Oh, I pulled up more than one. Hang on. Okay, our next number is going to be 9. Wanted to skip 9. Okay, so 9 divided by 3 means we're going to take 9, and we're going to put 9 M&Ms into 3 equal groups. So I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember, you put 1 in each group until you run out. Okay, you can see that there are 3 in each group. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Oops, I didn't erase my 2 very good. Okay. Hang on, let me move this a little bit. Also, I'm starting to erase my circle, but that's okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on again. Now we're going to move to 12. So I tried to move to 12 too fast. Okay, so the number we're starting with is 12. We're putting 12 into 3 equal groups. So 12, oops, I forgot to erase. Okay, so 12 divided by 3. Now you have to get 12 M&Ms. So that's 4, And this can help you practice your counting. 12. All right. So I'm going to put 1 in each circle. Oops. Until I run out. Man, they're going everywhere. Okay. Well, they're mostly in the circles. Okay, so you can see that 12 divided by 3, or put into 3 equal groups, is 4, because there are 4 M&Ms in each group. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Okay, let's go to our next one. Oh, well, I'm trying to pull off 2 again. Our next one is 15. 15 divided by 3. So I have 4. 8. 10. Oh, I dropped 1 back in. I'm going to have to recount these probably. It's hard when you have a marker in one hand and other stuff in the other. Okay, I have 15 now, and I'm going to put 1 in each until I run out. And they're starting to melt on my, I don't know if you can see that, but they're starting to melt on my hand. Okay, so 15 divided by 3, you can see, is 5. There are 5 in each group, so 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Okay, let's go ahead. Now, so this is a little bit faster. I'm going to start pausing the video while I count, so it's not going to take as long. So if it seems like I'm stopping in between, that's just so it seems shorter for you. But I'm really doing the same thing every time. I'm just going to be counting out 18 this time. And then once I have 18 counted out, I will restart it. Okay, here's my 18. Now I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to put them into 3 equal groups, 1 in each circle, until I run out. And then we will see how many is in each group. If you know your multiplication, you probably have already figured this out. Okay, oh look, I can make a cute little flower. All right, so as you can tell by looking at the circles, 18 divided by 3 is 6. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. I don't know why I didn't think to pause it the first time to make this a little bit shorter for you guys, but you are getting the real deal of doing all of it. So let's go ahead, and this time it's going to be 18. Sorry you guys, I said it was 18, but we had already done 18, so instead I have 21 now. 21 M&Ms, and we're going to do 21 divide, oops, I forgot one. 21 divided by 3. So we're going to put 1 in each group until we run out. Try to spread them out a little bit for you this time so it's easier for you to see. Oops. Maybe something that's not quite as sticky after you've held on to it for a long time, might be easier to practice this with, but it's okay. We work with what we have, so whatever you have will work. All right. Now, you can see that in each group there are 7. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull this one so I can remember which one I'm doing next time. This feels like more than one. Oh, it is, but it's just a blank. Okay, so this time we're going to be doing 27 divided by, 24 divided by 3. All right? Now we're going to take 24 M&Ms and we're going to put them into 3 equal groups. Oh man, guys, that's a lot. Okay, 24 divided by 3, if you can tell, is 8. So 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Okay, let's go ahead and go to our next one. If I can get to our next one, there doesn't want to come off. Okay, this one is going to be 27. Okay, 27. 27 into 3 equal groups. I bet you can guess. Oops, I already had one there. How many will be in each group? Okay, 27 divided by 3 is 9. So there are 9 M&Ms in each group now. We are going to move on to 30. Okay, since you guys get the point and this video is getting kind of long, I went ahead and put them into 3 equal groups, but as you can see, there are 10 in each group. 30 divided by 3 equals 10. And we only have 2 left. Maybe if I can get them. Okay, now we are going to do 33 divided by 3. 33 divided by 3 is 11. I went ahead and did this one too, but if you look in each group, there are 11 in each group. 33 divided by 3 is 11. This has a trick to it. If you know that 3 divided by 3 is 1, you can just do it again. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and that makes 11. And we are to, hang on, let me try to get them apart. We are to our last one, which is 36. 36 divided by 3. And I'm going to go ahead and put those into 3 equal groups, and I'll show you in just a second. Okay, 36 divided by 3. As you can see, there are 12 in each circle. 36 divided by 3 is 12, and that is our last one for the 3 division table. Sorry that ended up being so long. I just wanted a way to kind of show it to you since I don't have you guys in class where I can show it to you. I hope this helped you a little bit. Just practice as much as you can. All right, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.